No matter what reason you want to install app from PC to Android, you can refer to the 3 methods mentioned in this video. Choose one, and you can successfully install app from PC to Android. Way 1. How to install Android apps from PC with Assistant for Android easy and fast. Mobikin Assistant for Android is versatile Android management software, which allows you to install various applications to your Android phone or tablet through your computer. Uninstall unwanted apps. Follow the steps in the below. Step 1. Launch Assistant for Android. Step 2. Install apps from PC to Android phone. Way 2. How to install app on Android from PC on Google Play website. Step 1. Open a web browser on your PC. Visit the Google Play website and register your device. Step 2. Once you find the app you want to download, click the Install button and select the device where you want to install the app. Way 3. How to install an Android app from PC to phone via free Android app installer. AppInstaller is a third-party application that allows you to install apps, uninstall apps, and better manage apps on your Android phone or tablet.